How's it going, everybody? Got the Pure Stock behind me. A little bit late on the wash day recap, but in my defense, I work out of a carport and it's been raining, and it was supposed to be raining all day today, but as you can see, it is 85 degrees. So when little man gets out of school, I'll have him help me wash this thing. But for right now, I am going to go ahead and wash out the radiator. Usually I blow it out between race days, but with as dusty as it's been the last couple races, I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it out. So catch y'all soon. Alright, that is gonna do it, y'all. Messed around and it got dark on me, but car is washed. I am tired, and I lost my help. This is gonna conclude this wash day recap. We wound up 7th at Salina last weekend. Real good night, real fast cars. I made a small chassis adjustment, and I wasn't driving the car the way it needed to be. So there was that, and we're looking forward to this Saturday at Salina. If y'all can make it, cool. If not, I'm sure y'all can see updates somewhere. I want to say thank you to McElroy Farms for sponsoring us and everything we do. Without them, it'd be really hard to do what we love. So catch y'all in the next one.